We're going to work on drawing diagrams. That's a really important problem-solving strategy. And the reason why is because anytime we can represent an idea with a picture, it's just easier to represent that idea with a picture. So let's figure out how we do that. A couple example problems. We have here, this is called the Modern Basketball Association. Let's read that. It says a new basketball league was formed in which each of the teams will play 3 games against each of the other teams. There are 7 teams: the Antelopes, the Bears, the Cubs, the Dusters, the Eagles, the Foxes, and the Goats. How many games will be played in all? I mean, we could say there are 7 times 3. Is that how we do it? Do we do 7 times 3 equals 21? Okay, maybe, but let's draw it as a diagram, okay? So first we have, let's see, I have the Antelopes, the Bears, the Cubs, the Dusters, the Eagles, the Foxes, and the Goats, okay? And now we see, so the Antelopes play against everybody. The Antelopes play against boom, 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 boom. How many lines did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drew 6 lines, okay? All right, so now we have the Antelopes playing a game against everyone. Now the Bears play a game against everyone. But hey, I already have a line drawn from the Bears to the Antelopes. I don't need to draw another one. So now the Bears play, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 lines. Now the what are they? The Cubs. The Cubs play against everyone, but I already have a line drawn here, and I have a line drawn there. I don't need another one. Cubs play the Dusters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting to see a little of a pattern here. Okay, the Dusters play the Eagles. 1, and the Foxes. 2, and the Goats. 3. The Eagles play the Foxes and the Goats. 2. And the Foxes play the Goats. That's 1. How many lines do I have? 6 plus 5, that's 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Hey, I was actually right. But even though I got this number before, now I have a visual. But that's how many games need to be played for every team to play each other once. I have every team playing 3 times, which means there will be 63 games in the schedule in all. Now there's another way I could do it visually too. I could line all the teams up. And we could do the same thing. Have the Antelopes play against every team. Okay, and that's 6 lines. Then we could have the Bears play against every team. Then we can have the Cubs play against every team. And then the Dusters. And then the Eagles, right? And we would still find 21 lines in how we do that. So that's pretty cool. That's one way to represent that visually. Then it makes it really easy to see how many games need to be played. Let's go on to the next one. This is one where having the visual is going to be really important to helping us understand it. So, Jenny's model train is set up on a circular track. 6 telephone poles are spaced evenly around the track. The engine of Jenny's train takes 10 seconds to go from the first pole to the third pole. How long would it take the engine to go all the way around the track? Well, if you look at it, third pole would be halfway. It takes 10 seconds to get to halfway, so it would take another 10 seconds to get back. So the answer should be 20 seconds, right? Wrong. This model will help us figure it out. So if I have, in a circle, I have my poles. So here's my first pole, here's my second, my third, my fourth, my fifth, and my sixth. Okay, there's my 6 poles. I start at the first one. It takes 10 seconds to get to the third one. That's where I am after 10 seconds. So now, to go the same distance, look how much more distance I have. To go to the same distance, there's another 10. To go the same distance, there's another 10. So this actually takes 30 seconds to get all the way around the track. Let's do the next one. My next one is called Alien Invaders. Alien Invaders. Sam, Mamie, Ralph, and Gale are skilled at the video game Alien Invaders. Gale consistently scores higher than Ralph. Sam is better than all of them, and Mamie is better than Ralph. Who is the better player, Gale or Mamie? All right, here's how I'm going to show this. Let's see. I'm going to draw so if I have Gale, Gale is better than Ralph. I'm putting a line here. I'm showing Gale is better than Ralph. I'm drawing a line to the comparison that we have here. Okay, so Gale scores better than Ralph. Sam is better than all of them. And Mamie is better than Ralph. All right, so Sam is better than Mamie, but Mamie is better than Ralph. So now if we look at this, who is the better player? Gale or Mamie? If you look here, you'll see that there's no comparison in our problem between Gale and Mamie. So this problem is officially unanswerable. Only by drawing the graph did we visually see that the problem doesn't give us a comparison between Gale and Mamie. So that's pretty cool. Those are your example problems. Now it's up to you to do the problem sets.